huge bulldozers measuring more than 33 feet or 10 meters and weighing more than 100 tons, used to push large amounts of materials such as earth or coal in large-size construction or mining jobs. These are the 10 biggest bulldozers in the world. Number 10. Case 2050M. It is a bulldozer made in the United States which is designed to withstand extreme forces on its blade. It measures 22.6 feet or 6.9 meters in length by 10.1 feet or 3.1 meters in height and weighs 20.5 tons. Its blade has a width of 11.1 feet or 3.4 meters and a height of 3.6 feet or 1.1 meters. It has an engine with 214 maximum horsepower and can reach a speed of 5.7 miles or 9.3 kilometers per hour. It features one of the quietest cabs in the industry, providing maximum visibility. Its fuel tank has a capacity of 107 gallons or 405 liters, and its consumption and maintenance are low. Number 9. HBXG SD7K. It is a bulldozer made in China which is designed to provide high work efficiency. It measures 19 feet or 5.8 meters in length by 11.1 feet or 3.4 meters in height and weighs 23.8 tons. Its blade has a width of 11.5 feet or 3.5 meters and a capacity of 296 cubic feet or 8.4 cubic meters. It has an engine with 230 maximum horsepower and can reach a speed of 6.2 miles or 10 kilometers per hour. Its fuel tank has 120 gallons or 450 liters of capacity and is equipped with an electrical monitoring system. It can be equipped with different types of blades and is used for mining, construction, and oil field work. Number 8. Zoomlion ZD220. It is a China-made bulldozer in that it is designed to provide high reliability and long service life. It measures 23.6 feet or 7.2 meters in length by 10.8 feet or 3.3 meters in height and weighs 23.6 tons. Its blade has a width of 12 feet or 3.7 meters and a height of 4.2 feet or 1.3 meters. It has an engine with 235 horsepower and can reach a speed of 6.8 miles or 11 kilometers per hour. It has an electronic monitoring system that allows knowing the status of the machine in real time. Its fuel consumption is low and it is used in different types of jobs such as road construction. Number 7. Lugong CLG B320. It is a bulldozer made in China which is designed to provide high pulling forces. It measures 21.6 feet or 6.6 meters long by 11.4 feet or 3.5 meters high and weighs 38 tons. Its blade has a width of 14.1 feet or 4.3 meters and a capacity of 367 cubic feet or 10.4 cubic meters. It features a load-sensing hydraulic system that delivers power where it is needed. It has an engine with 349 maximum horsepower and can reach a speed of 8.6 miles or 14 kilometers per hour. The front position of the cylinders improves the transport of the load, making it more uniform. Number 6. John Deere 1050K. It is a bulldozer made in the United States which is designed to provide high productivity and durability. It measures 21.6 feet or 6.6 meters in length by 11.1 feet or 3.4 meters in height and weighs 42.8 tons. It can push in curves with its full load and without losing material during the trip. Its blade has a width of 12.7 feet or 3.9 meters and a capacity of 328 cubic feet or 9.3 cubic meters. It has an engine with 350 maximum horsepower and can reach a speed of 6.8 miles or 11 kilometers per hour. Its fuel tank has 180 gallons or 680 liters of capacity and is used in large construction and mining jobs. Number 5. Dressta TD-40. It is a Polish-made bulldozer which is designed for extreme construction and coal mining projects. It measures 18.7 feet or 5.7 meters in length by 14.4 feet or 4.4 meters in height and weighs 67 tons. Its blade has a width of 15.7 feet or 4.8 meters and a capacity of 635 cubic feet or 18 cubic meters. It has an engine with 515 maximum horsepower and can reach a speed of 9.3 miles or 15 kilometers per hour. Its fuel tank has 359 gallons or 1,360 liters of capacity. It has a cabin with multiple controls that are equipped with a protective structure against overturning and falling objects. Number 4. Liebherr PR 776 Litronic. It is a German-made bulldozer which is designed to provide great power in tough extraction jobs. It measures 18.7 feet or 5.7 meters in length by 14.1 feet or 4.3 meters in height and weighs 71.8 tons. Its blade measures 17 feet or 5.2 meters wide by 6.8 feet or 2.1 meters high and has a capacity of 776 cubic feet or 22 cubic meters. It has an engine with 768 maximum horsepower and can reach a speed of 6.5 miles or 10.5 kilometers per hour. It has a fuel tank with 322 gallons or 1,220 liters of capacity. Its fuel consumption is extremely low and it can go long periods without maintenance. Number 3. Caterpillar D11. It is a bulldozer made in the United States which is designed to provide great durability and optimize performance. It measures 34.4 feet or 10.5 meters in length by 15.4 feet or 4.7 meters in height and weighs 104 tons. Its blade measures 20.6 feet or 6.3 meters wide by 6.8 feet or 2.1 meters high and has a capacity of 1,200 cubic feet or 34 cubic meters. It has an engine with 850 maximum horsepower and can reach a maximum speed of 14 kilometers per hour. Its fuel tank has 424 gallons or 1,608 liters of capacity, and it is used to work with heavy rocks or large amounts of coal. Number 2. Shantui SD90. It is the largest bulldozer ever made in China and is designed to provide great power with low fuel consumption. It measures 37.7 feet or 11.5 meters in length by 14.7 feet or 4.5 meters in height and weighs 106 tons. Its blade has a width of more than 19 feet or 5.5 meters and a capacity of 1,337 cubic feet or 39 cubic meters. It has an engine with 900 horsepower and can reach a speed of 6.2 miles or 10 kilometers per hour. Its fuel tank has 430 gallons or 1,630 liters capacity and has a real-time parameter monitoring system. Number 1. Komatsu D475A. It is the largest bulldozer in production, manufactured by the Komatsu company, and is designed to combine the highest power and speed. It measures 37.7 feet or 11.5 meters in length by 15 feet or 4.6 meters in height and weighs 108 tons. Its blade measures 17 feet or 5.2 meters wide by 8.5 feet or 2.6 meters high and has a capacity of up to 1,200 cubic feet or 34 cubic meters. It has an engine with 899 maximum horsepower and can reach a speed of 11 kilometers per hour. Its fuel tank has a capacity of 441 gallons or 1,670 liters and is used for large-scale construction or mining projects. Well guys, what did you think of this video? Please leave your comments saying if you would like to see another video about other types of machines. If you liked this video, leave your like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.